Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you.
Okay, so for our no waste nut milk, I've got a cup here, a mug that I used to make my coffee actually. I'm gonna fill that about 2/3 full with boiling water, just because I don't want it to overflow when I'm using the stick blender. Then we're gonna get in about a tablespoon, generous tablespoon. You can use any nut butter for this. I'm using ABC, so I'm a Brazilian cashew, but whatever you've got. And then it's a tablespoon of nut butter and a tablespoon of unsalted butter, and that just makes all the difference in terms of creaminess and richness and beautiful flavour. And I'm just going to get my stick blender in. I'm going to puree it. And the reason I'm using this tall mug is so that it doesn't all spray out everywhere. So you need to find something that the stick blender head kind of fits into. Otherwise it splashes out and makes a big mess and you'll be swearing about me. Great, and so when that's all, just use some filtered water to cool it down and rinse off my stick blender. And then I'm going to strain it into my little glass, my little bottle here.
So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.